Here's Daddy and I when we first met.
Hi there.
Hi, Daddy. Mommy's going to tell us a story.
I'll give a wave. Are Thomas and the Lost Engine in the story?
Yes, and this bluebird, and Grandpa and the family. It all began one rainy day in the big city, just before your uncle was born, and I was going to stay with Grandpa. I was with my mum, and I was seeing sights that no one else had time to.
All right, I'll get it. Lily, Dad wants to say hello.
Hi, Dad. When are you coming home? Oh, okay. Well, I hope the job goes well. Yeah, and I love you too. Bye-bye.
Grandpa's been so sad since Grandma Tasha
Died and never comes here to see us.
Well, maybe your visit will cheer him up, Did you get his present?
Here. I'm making him a friendship bracelet.
Honey, that's beautiful.
I'd rather just stay here with you. I'm gonna go up this way.
Be careful.
You always say that. You're coming with me to Grandpa's, Bluebird. I know how much you like to travel.
The big city was far away from Grandpa's house on Muffle Mountain, and I had no idea that he and that mountain shared a secret hidden deep within it. Nor did I know that a man called Boomer was determined to discover the secret. And if he succeeded, he would destroy a precious universe. Every story, like a railroad, has its heroes. Meet Thomas, and this is where he and his friends live, the island of Sodor. There's no place like it, and if you have the imagination that I think you do, you'll know why.
What does that sign say?
Sodor Railway. Really reliable and right on time.
And you weren't, little Thomas.
And you're being bossy, Gordon. Now, please excuse me. I'm meeting Mr. Conductor. He's taking care of us while Sir Topham Hatt takes a very important holiday.
I think we can take care of ourselves.
Get out of my way! I have unfinished business here. I want to finish it fast.
What was that?
That's Diesel 10. 10 out of 10 for devious deeds and brutal strength. He's a blast from the past and he hates steam engines.
But maybe we do need Mr. Conductor here, after all.